Hey, how you guys doing? It is your boy John Manning, your favorite credit expert, guys. And welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome. And if you are new, welcome here. I like to welcome you anyway, guys. Here we talk about real estate, credit, and business, and how to leverage credit and financial literacy so that you could take back power from the banks and financial institutions. With that being said, guys, if you like our information and like our content, please like and subscribe to the channel, guys, so that I can keep this content pumping out for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about a couple of things. I just got back from vacation, by the way. And before I left from vacation, I actually did a round of funding, a funding round. It was a small round, but it came out very successful. I'm proud of it. Today, nevertheless, I'm going to be breaking down one of my cards, and then the videos after this will be the other cards that I obtained. But today I'm going to be talking to you mostly about one of my favorite cards. Is mostly underrated. It's kind of like an unboxing that I'm doing of this card. But nevertheless, one of the first cards I picked up on my funding is the Navy Federal More Rewards card, man. Believe it or not, I feel like this card is underrated. It's co-branded with Navy Federal, co-branded with American Express, man. And I really didn't even know that they had an American Express card until I did my round of funding. And this Navy Federal Credit Union card, believe it or not, man, is a pretty decent card. I feel like it's really underrated, man. It's very underrated. But nevertheless, guys, let's go ahead and talk about this card, and let's go ahead and talk about the benefits. The benefits of this card is phenomenal. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. The card itself, it does 3 points. You get 3 times the points on restaurant and food delivery, as well as you get 3 points on supermarkets. So whenever you go to Walmart and all your grocery stores, you're getting 3 times points there. And then on gas and transit, you also getting 3 points, as well as 1 point on everything else. So I thought it was a phenomenal card. Right now, they currently have a bonus on this card. So if you spend, I think it's $1,000 within 90 days, they actually give you 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $100. And I thought that was pretty good. I thought it was a pretty decent reward. Also, with this card, if you get this more rewards card right now that they're doing at the time of this taping, is that they're also giving you, guess what, 0% interest introductory for 6 months, which I think is pretty cool, especially when it comes to building your bank, which I talk about a lot, how to build a bank. And the way you build a bank, by the way, is with 0% interest cards. So I thought it was a pretty cool card. I used it, I traveled with it, and it was really helpful. And like I said, I was able to rack up those reward points no problem fairly quickly. Another benefit to this card, by the way, is there's no reward limit on this card, which is great, because a lot of times the other cards that I was looking at before I did my funding round is they had a limit on how much you could get in rewards for a specific month. I like the fact that Navy Federal and the More Rewards card said, there's no limit on this on your rewards per month. I like that. Another good thing is points can be redeemed for cash, travel, and merchandise. Not rental cars, but on hotels and flights and things of that nature. It could be, your points can be redeemed. So if you're like during the summer right now, if you're going to be doing a lot of traveling, I would say that this is a good card to have. There's 25% off on car rentals if you use their link or you call the number and book the car with them or do it through their online portal. Is up to 25%, and also car rental loss and damage as well. And by the way, another thing that I like about this car is that it also has roadside assistance, which is awesome. And you also can get up to 10% flight discounts by booking through the portal. You'll be able to pick your airline and save up to 10%, which is awesome if you're a person who's going to be doing a lot of travel. Like I said, this car was actually a pretty good car. Like I said, I didn't even know Navy Federal had American Express, but it blew me away with the features that it had in it, and it blew me away with the flexibility that it has. By the way, there's no annual reward or no annual fee on this car, which is awesome, which kind of blew me away. But the car is dope, guys. Believe it or not, a lot of people who are with Navy Federal. So in order to get this car, by the way, you got to be a Navy Federal member. But like I said, it's pretty easy to get into Navy Federal. I'll do a video about how to get into Navy Federal so that it can help you out. But this, I like Navy Federal and the more rewards cards and the flexibility that it gets you. And Navy Federal is known for giving big limits to guys or girls who are in the credit rebuilding process, or who are not doing so well or hot in credit at all. They're known for giving big limits and second chances. So if you are a person and you are trying to look for a good rewards card, or you're doing a credit rebuilding process, I recommend that you try to get into Navy Federal, guys, because like I said, they take care of you over there. And I always say, never leave your money or bank with an institution that's not lending you money. And the reason why I say that is because you're basically putting your cash out there so that they can lend it to somebody else, and they won't even give you a nickel. So with that being said, you have the power as the consumer to make the choice to bank with institutions that will lend you money, and you should only bank with institutions that will lend you money, because you as the consumer have the power over the financial institutions, and they shouldn't have power over you. So like I said before, if you're rebuilding your credit or anything like that, I really recommend Navy Federal. The more rewards card is dope. I actually got a pretty nice size or big size limit on this card. My wife asked me not to disclose it, but I'm just going to say it's tens of thousands of dollars. That's what I'm going to say. It's tens of thousands of dollars that's on this card right here. With that being said, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to text my business number, which I'll leave at the bottom. Feel free to contact me so we can set up a consultation. And if you need help with any funding or anything like that, guys, I will say this, guys. I will say this. I am in the financial space, and I am a consultant, and I do some free consulting, guys, but I'm not gonna be doing 1,000 free consultants. At the end of the day, I'm a business, guys. I'm a consultant, and consultants make money by basically doing consultations. So with that being said, guys, I just want to let you know before I get bombarded with a whole bunch of individuals who are just trying to suck free information out of me. Right here, this is my gift to the world right now, which is me doing the YouTube videos, because you're getting this information free. If you need something special or special tricks, techniques, or anything, that's what I talk to you about and do private consultations, private paid consultations for, is to help you create your plan. But like I said before, let me go back to it. The More Rewards card is dope. It is one of the first cards that I got in my funding round that I just did before I left on vacation. So in the next video, guys, I'll be talking about my second card that I got during my funding round. By the way, Navy Federal pulls from TransUnion, so make sure your TransUnion profile is pretty decent. But anyway, this was the first card that I got on my funding round, and during that funding round, I was able to raise a lot of money. Okay, I'm not gonna say a number. My wife told me I can't say numbers, but I raised a lot of money. So this is for people who are interested and who want to get into starting their own business, or doing any type of entrepreneurship, or a person who just wants to have flexibility and build income using my funding methods. So with that being said, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to text me at my 1-800 number, or please hit the link below so you can book a consultation with me truly. Like I said before, I will also leave my Cash App down so I can keep on kicking you guys free game, and that you guys can hopefully see the value in that. But with that saying, please help me to help you bring out more quality content. Until next time, guys, peace.